Legendary trader Peter Brandt predicts Bitcoin bull run till 2025. Renowned trader Peter Brandt, acclaimed for his deep analysis of cryptocurrency market, has sparked both excitement and controversy with his latest insights into the future trajectory of Bitcoin. Previously, Brandt delved into a concept of exponential decay, pointing out a concerning trend of decreasing momentum in Bitcoin's bull market cycles over time. Brandt's analysis highlighted for significant bull cycles in Bitcoin history, with a current surge marking the fifth. He noted a trend wherein each successive cycle has witnessed a diminishing exponential advance, indicating a significant loss of momentum from previous cycles, projecting a potential peak of around $72,723 for a current cycle, a figure already attained in recent trading. Brent emphasized that the possibility that Bitcoin may be already reached in its peak, twists and turns. However, Brent introduced a twist in his analysis by assigning only a 25% probability to his projections, giving more weight to a report he issued in February. In this report, Brent presented a chart projecting a bullish market until September October 2025, with a Bitcoin price potentially soaring to as high as $160,000. The duality of Brent predictions has started controversy within a crypto community, with some investors eagerly embracing an optimistic outlook while others remain cautious and considering the potential impact of exponential decay. As debate ensues, the question of which scenario is more probably looms large and challenging investors to assess the risk and rewards of their position on unpredictable cryptocurrency market.